This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the Ravenswood neighborhood, looking across the river at the fabulous half-mile-long Horner Park. Tennis courts just beyond the tree line. Turning around to the east, and I'm headed half a block away, across the street from Kindred Hospital, for a walk through one of the apartments at Rockwell Manor. I'm at the back porch of apartment 44143, looking out over tree-lined Rockwell. Stepped into one of the most attractive vintage one-bedrooms that you're going to find anywhere on Chicago's northwest side. Windows on two walls in the kitchen dining area, facing north and facing east. High ceilings, original oak flooring, refurbished, extending throughout the apartment. Stainless steel appliance package in the kitchen includes a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, good cabinet and counter space. You have granite counters, undermount stainless steel sink, radiator heat. Looking at recessed lighting, vintage touches include crown moldings. Just a lot of space in this room. A lot of flexibility in how you take advantage of it. A couple of great spots for your home office desk. You have ceiling fans. Looking at the intercom entry, coat closet, heading toward the bath. It's a closet with shelving off to my right. Very attractively updated bath. Pedestal sink, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, deep soaking tub, and a frosted window for natural light. Turning into the bedroom, windows again on two walls, facing south and facing east. Looking out over the landscaped courtyard, and you have a wall of closets and an additional ceiling fan. This is an unusually spacious one-bedroom apartment in an updated courtyard building. Short walk from the great Horner Park, walking distance to Lincoln Square shops and restaurants. Definitely want to put Rockwell Manor on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.